Let's move slightly so we don't land exactly where we were. Oh, you gotta love that view. And that moon texture. I noticed that when I was building stuff, and I was like, that's pretty cool. On the space station, at least. I think it's a bit big to be the normal moon texture, but who am I to judge, you know? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Well, for right now, anyway. Oh, we're in the fire! We're in the fire! Yeah. Not too shabby. And I think we have a fuel loader on the moon anyway, even if we did need to make an emergency landing back. So, all in all, not too bad. But we will go to the moon, land there. Alright, so let's go to the moon, overworld. Click into view moon satellites. Okay, zoom on in. We want to go to the moon. That's where we're going. Moon. No, I want to launch to the moon. Come on. Moon. Launch. Okay, now we're going to have to press space to slow down. Slow down. Hold space to slow down. That's what I'm doing. Slowing down. Slow down. Wait till we can see. Want to move a bit so we don't land exactly where we were before. Let's move so we don't land on Moonbase Alpha. It's a cool looking rocket though. Awesome. We made it. It's a little silent, but that's okay. We got plenty of fuel. We're doing alright. Let's make sure that this is a fuel loader is here, just in case we need it. And we got rocket fuel to use. Alright, how's everything going here? We're out of power on those. The solar panels going fine. Bubble distributor, we're not getting enough oxygen apparently. Okay, but we do have food going fine. Oxygen compressors doing well. Oxygen storage module apparently isn't storing much oxygen. Okay, not enough power to that. So what happened here? Oh, okay. So there wasn't enough power getting to it. That's fine. We'll deal with that later. We had a big conundrum of stuff last time. Let's press J to see what we have coming up here. Yep, you know about that. Cool, we've explored a lot going this way. Let's try going to the right and see if we can find something now. So we go up here. We'll jump up. Then we will use the hang glider. And hopefully this will work up. I think we're going just fine. Alright, so be on the lookout for some dungeons. Hopefully this will speed up our search process. Nothing like right there, I don't think. Oh, well, let's see right there. I don't think that's one. So let's keep going. They're quite visible when you see them before. Oh, we found another moon village. That's cool. No real point in going to the moon villages, though, because villagers don't really do too much. But it also indicates that we're a new chunk since the trees have not grown there. So hopefully this will give us a better shot of getting the Tier 2 rocket, which is our main goal of coming here. Another village. There seems to be a pretty deep hole right there. Not deep enough though. Alright, keep going. Oh yeah, this just takes some time trying to find what we're looking for. No, not quite. But we'll see how this goes. It seems like we're covering a lot more ground than we did before. And plus, it took me so gosh darn long. And yes, we have to suspend our disbelief a bit to be able to do this, because there's supposed to be no atmosphere on the moon. We'll just do what we can. Alright, so we got another moon base, or moon village. Lots of moon villages around here. We want to head away from what we've explored previously. Oh, let's see over here. Nope, not quite. But we'll see what we come up with. And then if we don't find anything soon, we'll review what we've seen in the map. See if maybe I've glossed over something. But I don't think that's probably happened, as we have been pretty arduous in our search so far. We can also use math to sort of guess of where they are. That's not... no. So our hydrogen doing... hydrogen's doing okay. So many moon villages. We can also find some cheese at some point, which would be nice. I know we've gotten a little so far, but nothing too extravagant. A little larger search area. See if we see anything. Oh, what's this? No. Alright, how are we doing? No. See over there? No. Go back up a bit. That gives us a little bit nicer area of view. If it'll load up anyway. So it happens when you're generating new chunks. Might take a little bit. So we'll look at the mini map right now, see if we see anything. Nothing so far. Yeah, this is a bit of a long process. But we'll get there. Let's take a look at what we have so far. Where are we at now? Where are we at? Oh, we're down here. Looks like. We're continuing to fly that way. Which ones have we found so far? There's been one right there. Let's zoom in and take a look and see what they look like. Yeah, they're very dark. Alright, let's see what we have. I think we're covering a lot more ground than we were, but still. No signs of them as of yet. Another moon base, which is good, but still not what we're really looking for. We might also want to invest in a better weapon before we go back down. Because, well, I like our hammer. I knew a few of you had some issues with it. We could also add some stuff to give it more damage, which I think we may have done already, but it's always good to be safe than not. I suppose we should probably set up the portal just to make sure that it works. So let's go ahead and do that here inside one of these places so that we can have some place to portal back to. So I believe this is a new area for us. So let's go on inside here. Down, doop. And we can bring you guys back home with us. So let's check this out. So we didn't bring all of the parts. Shit. Okay. It's not the end of the world. We could go back. We've got most of the parts. We are missing 2. So let's take a look at the recipe. I think, well, actually, we probably can't make everything that we need. So we're going to have to go back the old-fashioned way. Luckily, we have all the parts necessary to do that here. But let's just keep searching while we're doing stuff. Let's check the map. Oh, that's, yeah, that's, it's like, damn, we found one. Okay, so we are right here right now. We could check and see. Now that might be one, right? All right. Oh, let's see if this is one right here, because that might be good. Or that might be one over there, up the. Let's take a look. See here. I think that might be it. That is it. Awesome. Let's go down and check this out, guys. Let's go eat first, though. Alright. Melon. Cool. Alright. Let's see how we do this time. Oh, shit. Creepers. So far, so good. Alright, nuke virus, dark steel, tinninget, magic mirror, iridium shard. Cool. I think we might do most of this in darkness because I forgot that things were like that. Cloaking module, awesome. Bucket, cool. Alright, come on. Leave me alone, dude. Cool. Now let me get rid of the spawner. Cool. Oh, nice. Let's go ahead. Actually, we could probably make the thing now, because one of the big things that I was missing was the thing that was just in there. If we can find some cobblestone, which we might have in one of the chests here, but we needed some nether quartz, which was what was keeping me down. But let's go deposit all this stuff in our handy dandy Right, so this is doing 6 attack damage, this is doing 6 attack damage. We'll go with that because it also has the knockback effect. Which we might not want knockback actually, but... Okay, let's keep going this way, see if we run into anything. Creepers. Cool. Oh shit, 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 shit. Come on, die. Okay, cool. Let's go eat some. Let's see, uses for moon rocks. I want cobble. You can't make cobble from moon rock, I guess. That sucks. Are we out of food? That would be very bad. Okay, we've got melons. Great. Cool. Alright. Now, is this the way or this way? Not sure. We'll see whether or not this has stuff in it. Nope. We go the other way. Let's eat some more. Awesome. That was a little scary with the 6 whatever things. Alright, come on. Oh, ender pearls. Fantastic. Turret base crank. Okay. Let's this golden bag of holding, put away some more of this stuff. Cool. Alright. This is going to be intense. So, alright, we want to be careful. I wish I had some that stuff. Let's bring our thing out and we'll also get the bow. And let's go for it. Let's go eat. Awesome! Makes me so happy. Come on, die. Nice. Thank you for the stuff. Alright. Did we get the key? Yes, tier 1 dungeon key. Awesome. Now this better have tier 2 rocket in it. Alright. Go for it. And we have the tier 2 rocket. Awesome. fantastic. And another Ender Lily seed. This was a wonderful trip. I want to thank you guys for joining me once again on Space Astronomy. I think this is a great time for us to take a break, and hopefully we'll start Season 2 next time once we can work our way back. So, I'll catch y'all next time. Bye-bye!